Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to film a study vlog. In this study vlog, I'm preparing for my BCom exams. So I was just thought let's take you guys into my journey. If you guys are excited, so make sure to drop a thumbs up and let's get this video started. It's around 10 and my first class is of remedial class of commercial law. So let's join the class.
Does not affect the collateral transaction, but where the agreement is void on the account of illegibility of the object, the lawful order by one party and lawful acceptance by the another. ठीक है? ठीक है, कल आप लोग पढ़ के आना कैपेसिटी ऑफ पार्टीज. ठीक है, चैप्टर 4. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I came downstairs. I'm done with my commercial law class, and I don't think so that I have any class after this. So I'm just thinking of doing some example of accountancy because I haven't practiced example for so long. So yeah, let's start. Now I'm done with my accountancy. So next I'm going to start with utility analysis of business economics. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so now I'm going to join the motivational session that our college teacher have said that you have to join it. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so now I'm done with my session and let's think what I'm gonna do next. After completing the 1 hour tired session, I went to Mansa Devi. By the way, it is a very famous temple in Chandigarh as well as in north of India. If you guys have seen Son of Sardar, then you will remember a small scene of it which was shot here. I didn't do much after coming back to Mansa Devi because I was very tired. Hi guys, it is the next day today and today is Khichdi, Makar Sankranti and Pongal. So happy Makar Sankranti, Khichdi and Pongal to you guys. And yeah, I got a news today that our exams are starting from 24th of Jan. I'll put the examination notice over here somewhere. So yeah, I have to practice a lot of stuff and I'm so pissed that I haven't covered a lot of stuff that is left. So that means I have a lot of stuff to do. That means that a lot of vlogs are coming on your ways. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. After that you will get a notification of my old vlogs. And also I don't think so that I have a lot of work to do today. I just have to join the remedial class of commercial law, and then after that I have to solve the question paper of English and I have to submit it on 16th of Jan. And yeah, that is it.
That information, ठीक है. For example, अगर उन्हें लगता है कि हमें कोई डॉक्यूमेंट देखना है या हमें कोई जो है वो उसकी सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज देखनी है कि क्या ये कंपनी के पास ये.
After finishing the class, I started solving the question paper of English. It took me 4 hours to solve the English paper. After that I started feeling a bit hungry, so I thought let's make Szechuan fried rice. Here is my simple recipe. After finishing the whole day's work, I went to computer center. Although I'm doing the topic of Photoshop in the computer, and after that I did not do much. That means this vlog is comes to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for the further update. If you guys made it till here, comment down these emojis and see you in next video guys. Bye bye.